Bonani, Ninjani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My board members, please make sure you subscribe and press like, share and comment and share food. Anyway, today we're speaking about Mama Joy. We all know Mama Joy in the midst of being a super fan etshela ukuthi ngilasahamba nimthethisa nithi udla imali yethu yamarate. Umama Joy ke wathi ehambile epheshe wafola in love, wazitholela umlungu eFrance. Ke umama Joy njengoba kunama Olympics uphindile kwaya khona ke ubhukhelwe indoda yakhe, akazange abhukhelwe nini abantu base South Africa ngemalini. Umama Joy usemathandweni shilo uNkulunkulu. In her 50s, is she not 50 or 60? In her 50s, she found love. So if you are looking, just know it's possible. So Mama Joy usitshengisa ke ukuthi usehlangene nama in-laws nangu umama wakhe ozala uPapa Joy. Phela sebembiza ngoPapa Joy umlungu lwayani. So umama nababa yadla ke lana ke siyephekele. Umama wanikeza umama Joy umama kaPapa Joy wanikeza umama Joy iring yokuthi amamukele babona bahlele kitchen bayapheka ba in love. Hayi uTwitter usahleki kanje ukuthi nje uthi umama Joy uzolotsholwa ngama euros. And umama Joy Nkosi yami ayikho into angayipost usemali thambeni uposta kwasana uposta sekitchen uposta bemthinta uposta nje like imhambisa yasho ukuthi nathi simhlokomeze South Africa lokho simthethisa simtheka sithi udla imali zethu. Uyena useParis ke njengoba manje France uhlele noPapa Joy uthi nje I've been trending in South Africa bengiphethe kabi. Buka ke manje indoda yami ngisurpriseile kade ngisurpriseile amthengela hey guys, please subscribe. Asazi lo Mama Joy usazobuya yini ngoba phela ukuba i-super fan hayi asazi futhi kwenzakaleni lapha. Ngesikade seyi-super fan yaka waya kwi-Royal M kaMamkhize akasatholakali futhi nakhona.